Tomorrow morning, cash is illegal. Every bill, every coin, gone forever. What happens next will shock you. You pay with your phone, easy. But 1.4 billion people have no bank account. For them, it's over. Banks explode with profit. Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay. They don't just win, they own everything now. Small businesses collapse overnight. Street vendors, farmers, local markets, all dead. No cash, no survival. Now governments see every purchase you make. Coffee, medicine, books. Total financial surveillance. Forever. Criminals, they adapt. Cash disappears. Crime goes crypto. The black market doesn't die. It upgrades. Sweden went 98% cashless. Then the power went out. Chaos. Even Sweden said, keep emergency cash at home. One cyber attack. Entire economy frozen. No food, no rent, no access. Digital money has one fatal weakness. It needs power. Crypto seems like the answer. But who controls it? Can your grandma buy bread with Bitcoin? Not even close. Cash is dying. Slowly. But whoever controls the replacement controls you. Follow WhatIfRich. New video every week.